30 years, I hate saying that now, and have been using red light for light therapy in my salon for the past 6 years. In the past 2 years, however, light therapy has been recognised as a fantastic treatment, and worldwide it's been recognised as a fantastic treatment to give clients. Today I'm going to use the treatment on Victoria, and I'm going to show you how to prepare for the treatment. This is called Perfect Skin Light, and this is a machine that I designed and manufactured myself. Clever me. Anyway, what I want to do is show you how to prepare for the skin so that the light is absorbed really deeply into the skin. The first thing is I'm using a cleanser, and we want to cleanse the skin, give it a double cleanse. When you're applying any cleanser, my tip is always to really heat it up in your hands before applying it, and massaging it in gently. Make sure your pressure on your skin, especially at this time of year, is quite light, because skin at this time of year, winter skin, is the most sensitive time because of the extremes of temperature. We're going in from the cold outside into centrally heated atmospheres, and this is playing havoc with everyone's skin at the moment. So everyone's pretty sensitive, including Victoria, as I'm seeing. So light pressure to soothe the nerve endings in the skin is always a good way to go. Paying particular attention to the congested areas. Now, at home, a good home care thing to tell all the clients is to use the cleanser and then take the cleanser off with a face cloth in lukewarm water. This is great because the face cloths act as an exfoliator when you're doing it, and we do this in the salon. Take all the cleansers off with these kind of pads that you can buy at your local wholesaler. But great to tell your clients to do this, because exfoliation, there can be a build-up of dead skin cells, and that's what makes skin look dull, sallow and thickened. So when you use the face cloth, it gives a really much better appearance and makes the skin, takes the dead skin off, so it makes the skin look fresher and younger. Now, let's pretend I've done that cleanse the skin twice. I'm now going to use a face scrub. Now, face scrubs are great things, and great to have a skin scrub on your face. If you've got sensitive skin, I would maybe recommend doing it twice a week. If you've got thickened, aging skin, 3 times. And this is the key. Exfoliation is the key to having good skin. I'm doing the face scrub all over. Again, I'm still using fairly gentle pressure. It's important we use the scrubs so that I can take off as much dead skin cells as I can. When I do this, the skin is very fresh, and therefore the light, when I'm using light therapy on the skin, is going to be absorbed more deeply and more easily into the skin, and therefore affecting the skin better. And we really want to make sure we're getting as much light absorbed into the skin as possible, and so we have the best effect on our clients. I used red light therapy, and this is what I've got on just now behind me. The red light therapy on the skin excites the dermis. Now, the dermis, as you know, is the living skin where all the activity, all the action happens in the dermis, and that's the bit that we want to affect. Red light reduces inflammation, increases the production of collagen and elastin. It's a fantastic thing to have onto skin, and indeed people with the SAD disorder, seasonal affective disorder, really benefit from having red light shone on them. It stimulates them, takes them out of depression. It's fantastic. So I've done the skin scrub nice and lightly. And again, I would say to your clients that that's probably one factor. You must make sure every client is using some sort of skin scrub, especially in the winter months, to make their skin appear better. And allow the creams that they're using on it to be absorbed and utilised better and more effective in the skin. So red light is the one I'm using today, and when I'm putting this on to Victoria's skin, red light helps even out the skin tone. So any broken capillaries or uneven brown pigmented marks, all of those types of skin minor problems will be erased. And for someone who's concerned about aging, this is probably today the most non-aggressive, effective anti-aging facial treatment there is on the market today. It's fantastic, gives a really good result. We call it a mini facelift. It literally gives the face a mini facelift, as you'll see when you try this treatment for yourself. So I've now cleansed Victoria's skin, and I'm now going to put on goggles before I shine the machine on her, or put the machine on her. When I put the light onto the skin, really, if someone has got a problem of broken veins, I really don't want to put any mask on their skin. If someone was having an anti-aging treatment, I could put a firming treatment mask on their skin and then the light on top of that, and that would make the mask work better. But today I want to desensitize this nice delicate skin because it's a bit sensitive looking to me. This is probably because of the winter effect, and this will really help her even out her skin tone and take away a lot of this pinkness. Okay, alright. Now I've put the machine, and it's on a swivel head, which is great. So I've designed Perfect Skin Light with this swivel head. It makes it very easy to treat all of the face and the neck, or you can treat someone's back or whatever part of their body you think they would benefit from the red light. This machine also has the capacity to do blue light, which affects and clears up acne, the bacteria that's caused acne bacillus, which causes acne. So today though, I'm going to use red light on her. Just positioning the lamp. Really a couple of inches from her face would be perfect. It doesn't work with heating, although it's a red light, it doesn't work with heating the skin up. This is not to be confused with intense pulse light or laser, where it is a light heat energy. This is not the same thing. This is not heating the skin up. This is exciting the dermis so much to increase the collagen and elastin and really give the skin a really good workout. Okay, I always say it's like taking your skin for a 6-mile run. This, and no amount of skincare that you could use, no amount of skincare products can have the effect that this lamp can have. So I've put the lamp on here. I'm now going to switch it on. For a treatment, if you were using this as a standalone treatment, red light therapy is a standalone treatment. If a client comes into the salon, you could use this on her skin, especially in the winter, to give her a fantastic effect. The skin will look more hydrated, the skin will look plumped up, and lines and wrinkles will look much, much finer. This is the effect of red light. It hydrates the skin, like 600%. There's little sponges in the skin, and these sponges just increase the size with hydration, and that's why after we have the treatment on, we show the client a mirror before and after, and the difference in the skin is fantastic. The skin has a glow, and this part of the face looks uplifted and the eyes look uplifted. So this is one hell of a treatment to give your clients, and you really need to be going for this. This is fantastic. Perfect Skin Light.